P-trap water seal drying out causing odors is one of the sneakiest reasons your bathroom or kitchen might start smelling funky, and you gotta fix it fast to keep things fresh. So, here's the deal. P-traps are those U-shaped pipes under your sinks that hold water to block sewer gases from creeping up. If you don't run water through them regularly, the water in the trap can dry out, which lets those nasty smells escape into your home. To avoid this, just run water in every sink or drain at least once a week. Even if you're not using them much. If you've got a drain that's rarely used, pour about 1 cup of water down it once a week to keep that trap seal fresh. You can also add a little bit of vegetable oil on top of the water to slow down evaporation. For extra protection, especially in guest bathrooms or seasonal homes, pour a mixture of half water and half vinegar to keep things clean and odor-free. Remember, keeping those traps filled with water is like setting up a barrier that says, "Nope, no stink coming through here." And if you ever smell something weird, don't just mask it with air fresheners. Check your P-traps first. One of the biggest mistakes people make with P-trap water seal drying out causing odors is ignoring drains they barely use. Fix it by running water or pouring a cup of water weekly to keep the seal intact. Another common issue is using harsh chemicals to kill odors, which can actually damage the pipes and make smells worse. Stick to natural fixes like vinegar and water instead. Lastly, some folks forget that even floor drains or basement drains have P-traps that need attention. They dry out just like sink traps, so pour water down those regularly too. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know how to handle plumbing issues like P-trap problems quickly and affordably. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with people needing their skills, so everyone wins when fixing home projects.